Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a successful house flip with Keller Williams, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build a successful house flip with Keller Williams, start by understanding your local real estate market. Research neighborhoods that show potential for investment. Look for areas with rising home values, low crime rates, and good schools. Next, establish a budget for your house flip. Include costs for purchase, renovations, and unexpected expenses. Consider securing financing through a mortgage, private lender, or cash purchase. Once your budget is set, find a reliable real estate agent from Keller Williams. An experienced agent can provide insights into market trends and property values. Attend open houses and property inspections to identify potential flips. Look for homes that are underpriced or need cosmetic repairs. Once you have a property in mind, make a competitive offer. Be prepared to negotiate if necessary. After purchasing the property, create a detailed renovation plan. Focus on high-impact areas such as the kitchen and bathrooms. Hire licensed contractors to ensure quality work and compliance with local regulations. Keep a close eye on the renovation timeline to avoid additional costs. As renovations progress, start marketing the property. Use professional photography to showcase the updated home. List the property on multiple platforms to reach a wider audience. Hold open houses to attract potential buyers. When you receive offers, work with your agent to evaluate each one. Choose an offer that aligns with your goals and timeline. Once the sale is finalized, calculate your profit to assess your success. Reflect on what worked well and what could be improved for future flips. Each flip is a learning opportunity, so stay adaptable and informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.